G, add 5, C, add 9, to D major. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Here's G, 2, 3, up to C now. 2, 3, up to D, go. 2, 3, 4, and D. 2, 3, back to G now. 2, 3, 4, C. 2, up to D, here we go now. 2, another bar of D, so D on a whole note, back down to G, go. G, 2, up to C, here we go now. C, 2, 3, up to D. 2, 3, another bar of D. 2, back down to G, go. 2, 3, 4, up to C. 2, 3, up to D now. 2, 3, another bar of D, and D. 2, back down to G, go. G, 2, get ready for that C. 4, and C. 2, up to D, here we go now. D, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, and we end on G now, G. Great.